All right. Hi, Dawn. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully the audio's working. Okay. Hi, Dawn. I just wanted to run a quick tutorial on some of these new blocks because this is a new simulation. Um, what we're looking at here is, say, a strip of cloth, and then instead of having these patterns woven, um, like in the case of the Fibonacci sequence, these are Adinkra patterns that are stamped. Um, So I just wanted to show you a couple of blocks and some of the different things that you could do. So the main things that we'll be looking at here are these switch to costume blocks and then the set color effect. Um, this one right here where it says switch to costume background, you'll pretty much just want to leave that. That is this strip here. So that's the strip of cloth. So just leave the background as the background, but you can change the color, and that's this block right under here. So set color effect, say we wanted purple, you would go to 80, and then run that. There you go. You can go to 70, and that's like that. It's the same color blue as this block right there, right? Uh, so here I'm just going to go back to 0 to reset. There. Now you have three different blocks that deal with these patterns. So this stamp right here has its own block, and then this line has a block, and this line has a block. So this one that is on its own, it's up here. So this is the switch to costume for just this block. You notice it says, I don't know how to pronounce that, but uh, Mapatapo, and you'll see it right down here too. So these two blocks are what stamps run up this side and the color effect for that line. And then right underneath here, you can see this, what's it, Funtun Funefu? That's this whole row. So let's say you want to have your own an individual stamp here that's different from these other ones. So then you can go right up to this one and you click, and you see you get all of these other blocks. And now you can't quite see what they are, so you're just gonna have to play around and explore. But let's try this one. Essen. There you go. And now you can see you have a new stamp right there, but these ones are all the same. If you wanted to change the color for this one, let's say you wanted to go to 50, there you go, right? And I'll include a link to this. It's in the slides, but here's your color grid. So you can reference this to see the colors that you want to select from. Um, Let me just put this one back. And what color was it? 70. There you go. There. Now, let's try Nairobi. There. And let's try a different one here. There. And if we like that and we want to change this one, then we would just, whatever this one is, Nairobi. We'll find Nairobi. Boop. Bam. Change this background to orange. Bam. All right. So there's color effect and switch to costume. Leave the background as it is, and then just play around with the color effects. Um, and we can get into sizing later. If you made a mistake and you don't want to, or you want to reverse your changes, you can do it by going back into the code and just reversing it piecemeal like that, or you can just hit your refresh button on your browser and don't save it, and it'll start over fresh. Okay? And that's all there is to it so far.